In this video, I will share my email marketing tip for more sales. If you are in affiliate marketing or network marketing and relying on email marketing, or really, if you're wanting to use email to build any business, even if it's traditional brick and mortar, this video is for you, so stick with me. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been marketing online full-time for over 20 years. Email marketing has been my most productive strategy. It's how I make more money and leverage my time too. And because of my email marketing, I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sell most days in the summer while I build my business mostly on autopilot. Hey, if you haven't done so yet, please be sure to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell too. I post a number of new videos every week, and I'm sure you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and hit the like button too. And if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here's my tip, and it's so simple to do, yet the majority of email marketers do not do this. In the SIG section of your email, include your photo and cell phone number so subscribers can call or text with any questions. I've done this for years. I'm still amazed at how often people do reach out to me that way. The photo kind of personalizes things and helps people feel like they know you. And I even say call or text before the cell phone number. This kind of separates you from the majority of other online marketers. You know, you almost feel like so many of them are hiding behind a website these days. This will really make you look different to your prospects. And I can hear people already saying, Joe is crazy. I'm not going to put my personal cell phone number out there. Well, here's the rest of the tip. You do not need to use your personal cell phone number. Get a Google Voice number and forward it to your cell. It's free. You can place and receive calls from anywhere. I have a Google Voice number with the same area code as my private number. Give it a try. I know you'll be pleased with the results. You can get access to many more online marketing tips like this when you team up with me in my #1 recommended income stream. We have the best training in the home business industry, plus I will be your personal mentor and coach, and I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day using email marketing to do the heavy lifting. To learn more and start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.